Hello students, I hope you all are fine. I am Jyoti and I am here to teach mathematics of class 3rd. We were doing our exercise number 7, okay. Up to question number 4 we have completed already. Today we will start question number 5, okay. So question number 5 is write whether the following numbers are arranged in descending or ascending order. Whether the following numbers are arranged in ascending or descending order. Ascending or descending order. So its first part is 56, then 566, then 5660, then 7637, then 7673, then 7773. Okay. Second part is 9836, then 9810, then 5638, then 3731, then 731, then 1065, then 785. Next one, C part is 9856, next number 9800, next number 8637, next one 8037, then 7865, and next one 7856. So let's start from first part. C. 56, 566, 5660, 7637, 7673, 7773. You can see clearly here numbers are increasing, right? Numbers are increasing. It means first number is the smallest number and last number is the greatest number, right? As you know, when we move from smallest to greatest, that sequence is called ascending order, right? That is called ascending order. It means these numbers are arranged in ascending order. So its answer will be ascending order. Okay? Second one. 9836, 9810, 5638, 3731, 1065, 785. You can see here numbers are decreasing, right? First number is the greatest number and the last number is the smallest number, right? It means its sequence is from greatest to smallest, and you know that this sequence is called descending order, right? It means these numbers are arranged in descending order. Descending order. Okay, next one. 9856, 9800, 8637, 8037, 7865, 7856. Okay, you can see here also numbers are decreasing, right? 9000, 8,000, 7,000, 9, 8, 7. Numbers are decreasing now. It means here also the sequence is from greatest to smallest. And this sequence is called descending order, right? It means its answer is also descending order. Descending order. Okay? So, let us move towards our next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is, write the successor of each of the following numbers in the boxes. Okay? So, let's start. Question number 6, write the successor of each of the following numbers, each of the following numbers in boxes. So, first number is 999. 999. Second number is 4059. And third number is 7806. Okay? So let's start. Successor. We want to find the successor of the numbers. I told you when we want to find successor of a number, it means we have to add 1 in the given number, right? Or we can say that successor of a number is next of the given number. So, can you tell me what is the next number of 999? As you can see, this is the greatest 3-digit number, and when we add 1 in greatest 3-digit number, what we get? We get the smallest 4-digit number, right? Or we can say its successor is 1000, right? Right? But we will not write direct answer. We will solve it like successor of the number now. We have to write the answer in box. So what will we do? We will solve it like that. Okay? Okay? We will write here 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. Next number, what will be the successor of this number? So, successor of this number will be 4059 plus 1. Okay? See, what is the number formed by last 2 digits? 59. After 59, in counting, which number comes? 60, right? So, its successor will be 4060. Okay? Next, 7806. So, what will be the successor of this number? Successor of this number will be 7806 plus 1. That is 7807. Okay? Right? We want to find the next number, no? So 806, what will be the next number of it? The next number of this number is 807, right? So let us move towards our next question, question number 7. Write the predecessor of each of the following numbers in the boxes. Write the predecessor of each of the following numbers in boxes. Okay? So, first number is 189. Second number is Second number is 3506. Third number is 6000. Okay, predecessor here, predecessor we want to find. Okay, so when we wanted to find successor of a given number, we used to add 1 in the given number, right? Similarly, if we want to find predecessor of a number, what will we do? We will subtract 1 from the given number. Okay, okay. So like here 189 is there. So what will we do to find predecessor? We will subtract 1 from this number. Okay. So when we will subtract 1 from 189, what will we get? We will get 188, right? Or we can say predecessor of a number means before the number, right? Before the number. So before 189, which number comes? 188, right? Okay. Next number 3506. So what will be the predecessor of this number? To find the predecessor, we will subtract 1. 3506 minus 1. That is 3505. Right? Next, 6000. So its predecessor will be 6000 minus 1. In the sequence of, in the series of 6000, this is the first number, right? So when we will subtract 1 from 6000, what will we get? We will get 5999. Okay? 5999. Remember this. Suppose if there is a number like 7000, so what should be the predecessor of that number? Predecessor of that number must be 6999. If the number given is 8000, so its predecessor should be 7999. Okay? So let us move towards our next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is, write the smaller and the greater numbers of 2 digits using 9 and 2, only one. Okay? Write the greatest, I think greatest should be there. Write the greatest and smallest numbers of 2 digits, numbers of 2 digits, okay, using 9 and 2, using 9 and 2 only once. Okay, only once. It means we can use these 2 digits only one time. Okay, we cannot repeat the digits. Okay, so how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. Okay, and we want to form the number of 2 digits, right? 2 digits are there and we want to form the number of 2 digits. Now what is the condition? We want to form the number which is what should be greatest number and then smallest number, right? This type of question we have done, right? To form the greatest number using digits, we will arrange the digits in descending order, right? And to form the smallest number using digits, we will arrange the digits in ascending order, right? So here the smallest number will be smallest number. Now you arrange the digit in ascending order. Only 2 digits are there, na? So which is smaller digit? 2 or 9? You will say, ma'am, 2, right? And then 9. This is the smallest number. And then what will be the greatest number? That will be 92. Okay, that will be 92. Next question, question number 9. Write the smallest and greatest numbers of 3 digits using each digit only once. Write the, see student, there will be smaller and there will be also smaller. Okay, there is also greater and smaller. Smaller, greater. Because with 2 digits we can form only 2 numbers, no? So there is not the concept of greatest and smallest. So write the greatest and smallest 3-digit numbers, smallest numbers of 3 digits numbers of 3 digits, and what is the condition here? Using each digit only once. Okay, using each digit only once. So let us see its first part. First part, digits are 8, 1 and 2. 8, 1, 2. Okay. So let's solve this number. Smallest number. So what will be the smallest number using these digits? I told you to form the smallest number, arrange the digits in ascending order. 8, 1 and 2. Which is the smallest digit? 1, then 2, then 8. It means the smallest number will be 128. Now, what will be the greatest number? Greatest number. Now, you arrange the digits in descending order. So, among these 3 digits, which is the greatest digit? 8. Then 8, 2, 1, right? It means the greatest number will be 821. Okay. Now, next part, 6, 0 and 5. Digits are 6, 0, 5. Okay. So, smallest number will be, smallest number. I told you to form the smallest number, arrange the digits in ascending order. So, which digit is the smallest? 0. But I told you we cannot form the number starting with 0, right? So we will move towards the next digit. Next digit is 5. So we will write here 5, then 0, then 0, right? After 0, smaller digit is 5 now. So first of all we will write 5, then we will write 0 and then 6. It means the smallest number is 506 and the greatest number will be greatest number. To form the greatest number, we will arrange these digits in descending order, right? So, greatest digit is 6, then 5, then 0. It means the greatest number is 650. Okay? 650. So, let us move towards our next question, question number 10. Question number 10 is, write any 4-digit numbers using all the digits 3, 4, 1, 2 and then arrange them in descending order. Okay? The question is, write any 4-digit numbers Okay, 4-digit numbers using all the digits, and which are the digits? Let us see. Digits are 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then arrange them in descending order. Arrange them in descending order. Okay, so let us see how to solve this question. Let us read the question again. Write any 4-digit numbers. It means we want to form 4-digit numbers. Okay, and the digits are 3, 4, 1 and 2. Okay, so these are the digits. After that we want to arrange the numbers in descending order. We want to arrange these numbers which we will form in descending order. So, you form your numbers, I will form here 4-digit numbers, okay? You will form your numbers. You can form any number by using these digits. Okay? Suppose I am forming here numbers which are 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers using 3, 4, 1 and 2 are. Okay. So we can form any number. So let's start. I am forming a number 3412, 3124. Okay. 4321, then 4123. These are the numbers which I form. You can form your numbers, okay? Any numbers you can form. After that, what is the question? Then arrange them in descending order. I form 4-digit numbers, okay? Now I have to arrange these numbers in descending order. So their descending order will be descending order means greatest to smallest. So which number is greatest here? I told you compare first digit 3, 3, 4, 4. First digit 3 or 4. Which is greater, 3 or 4? 4 is greater. Okay, but two numbers have same digit, that is 4. So now we will move towards next digit, that is 3. Here the next digit is 3, here 1. Which is greater? You will say, ma'am, 3 is greater, right? So it means first number will be 4321. Next number will be 4123. Okay, now here 4 and 1, which is greater? You will say, ma'am, 4 is greater, right? So, 3412. Okay? है ना? Next number will be 3124. This is the required solution. Okay? If you will form another 4-digit numbers, so you will arrange those numbers in descending order. Okay? Okay. So let us move towards our next question, question number 11. Write down these questions in your notebook also. Question number 11. Write the smallest and greatest 3-digit numbers without repeating a digit from the following digits. Okay? Write the smallest and the greatest 3-digit numbers without repeating a digit from the following digits. Without repeating a digit from the following digit. Okay, so first one, digits are, see here will be two columns are there, smallest and then greatest. First one, digits are 3, 6 and 5. 3, 6 and 5. Second one, digits are 2, 0 and 7. 2, 0 and 7. Okay? 2, 0, 7. So let's start. Okay, so let's start. 3, 6, 5. To form the smallest number, I told you arrange the digits in ascending order. So the number will be 356, that is 356. And what will be the greatest number? To form the greatest number, we will arrange the digits in descending order. So the number will be 653. Next, 207. So what will be the smallest number? Arrange the digits in ascending order. Here the smallest digit is 0, but we cannot start a number with 0. So we will move towards the next digit, that is 2. After that, we will write 0 and then 7. This is the smallest number. Then, to form the greatest number, we will arrange the digits in descending order. So the number will be 720. Right? Because the greatest digit is 7, then 2, then 0. Okay? So, here we have completed up to question number 11. Next questions we will complete in our next class. Till then, take care.